Right now I want to show the RAP-274-1. This is a lightweight ease on and off push bike rail mount. What you have here is a few parts. This is the quick release spring loaded top and then the release bottom. You have the rubber bases, one's tapered and one isn't. This is the tapered one. You have two 7-inch long cable ties, and then you have a 2-inch by 3-inch neoprene adhesive strip. As you can see on this device here, the main great application about this is this ease on and off connector. What happens is when this is mounted, this becomes spring loaded, so this device ends up springing into your rail. So once you clip it in with the right turn, it comes in and out. Let me find it. There we go. This goes through here, and then the rail itself will push on this spring. So when you give it a twist, it locks back in. There's actually pins through here that push into the holes. So you can actually very easily turn it, pull it out, put it in, and then the spring loads comes back. But I'll show you how it works all together once I've mounted it onto a rail. So let me get a rail and I'll show you how it works. Here we have a 1-inch rail, and what we're going to do is I'm going to take, first thing you need to do is, if you choose, which is best to do this because this is what helps you grip onto your handlebars, is take this neoprene and just wrap it around. So you can see how it wraps around very easily, fits well. But what you need to do is actually firstly take off the adhesive. So we do sell these separately, so you can have extras or do whatever you need to do if you have any trouble with this. There we go. Get the backing off. Easier said than done. Okay, so firstly we'll just get this around the pipe here I have and just hook it around like that. So there's the neoprene strap down. Secondly, we need the base, the plastic base, and then you choose between which of these rubber bases you need. So you either take this flat one, which is just for a standard handlebar, or you can take the tapered one, which actually just gives you a bit of an angle depending on what sort of handlebar you use. So let's put this standard one on here because that's what I really have, and then this cap goes over the top just like that. So there you can see it just hooks in there. And the next thing you've got to do is run these zip ties through. So what you do is you just hook it through. There's a couple of holes. I'll hold this up actually. You can see through there there's a hole or two, so the zip tie just threads through there and through like that very easily, and then goes back over, and there's one. Let's put the other one through the exact same way, just on the other side. So you run one through there, one through there, and then obviously pull them. So there's one. Let's get that one started. Here's the next one. Okay, line these up. There's one. There's two. So now all you need to do is cut the zip ties and tighten them up to the length and strength you want. Now this top cap, as I mentioned before, which is the reason this is a diamond shape, is it's designed to go onto the back of any of the RAM existing cradles or any other device. You just take these two holes here and put them on a cradle. But then what you do is you just simply line up these 4 prongs here, you can see, with the 4 prong holes on this device. So once you get those in, then you just push this down and twist, and it pops in. So now you can actually put this to any angle you want around the device for whatever mounting system you're using. So it actually takes 2 turns, and then the 3rd turn will release it. So you've got, there's 1, there's 2, and then that one pops out. So that's how this works, and it's just a matter of getting the right angle for whatever device it is you're using. As I said, you just put a device cradle on the end, be it an iPhone, be it a GPS, whatever. So there you have it, the RAP-274-1 push bike rail mount.